Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. Firstly, we need to check if you have the latest software version. Open HeyMelody application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, and then you will see the same menu. Scroll down, and at the bottom we have firmware version. Firmware version is the same as software. Now, what you should do is to tap at this line. If nothing happened, it means that you have the latest software version. If you enter inside to the new menu, at the bottom you will see a button download and install. You need to tap at this button and wait until this update finished. Next step is to place your earphones to the charging case. Now close the case. After that you need to wait about 15 seconds and the battery level of your charging case in your earbuds will update. After that time you just open the charging case and check is it fixed. If it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, remove your earbuds from the charging case. At the back side of each earbud, at the top right here we have touch areas. Press and hold at the both of them for at least 15 seconds. Now, press and hold. Okay, I guess it's enough. Now we can release fingers and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. You can go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and by the way, right here you can tap on them and if you cannot connect with them, meaning that that it perform a factory reset. Now click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, then forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to just go back and return to the Bluetooth like on iOS or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. I need to click this button, and after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them as a device list. Tap at your earbuds, and then click Pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!